In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to use Forum app. Let's get started. First, make sure you have already downloaded this app. Then you can use your Facebook account to log in. Once logged in, you'll be directed to this kind of interface. This is your homepage. Here you're going to find all the posts from Facebook groups you are part of. Unlike normal Facebook, this feed is focused more on community discussions and deeper conversations similar to Reddit rather than just friend updates or algorithm-based posts. If you want to create any post, click on this plus option. From here, you are able to upload pictures, videos, GIF, likewise create poll. To interact with others, you can open any post and like, comment, or reply just like you normally would. Also, you are able to share the post. Inside this app, you're gonna find this tool, Ask. This is the second option from right. Here you can type any question and the AI will generate answers based on real discussions and comments from across your Facebook groups, making it easier to find helpful community insights quickly. Navigate to this Bell tab. This is where you're going to receive all of your notifications. Click on 3 horizontal lines given at the top left. From here you are able to discover groups, likewise create group. Click on your profile icon. You'll be directed to your profile page. Here you're going to find details about your account. Here you're going to find different tabs, posts, comments, reactions, visited. So that's it. This way you can easily use Forum app. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.